Hello students, in this video you are going to learn about how to write the direct speech, the structure of direct speech only. Okay, so in the previous video we have learned about what is speech and what are the types of speech. Am I right? So what is the speech? Very good. When we are the speech means when we are expressing our ideas and thoughts in a sentence, no, using the words. That's the speech only. Okay, with the help of the words we are expressing our ideas and thoughts only. In other words, I can say it is the ability to express our thought and ideas. And how many types of speech we have learned? We have learned about two types of speech. Am I right? And they are direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech and indirect speech. In this video, you are going to learn about the direct speech only. What is direct speech and how can we write the direct speech and what is the structure of the direct speech only. Okay. So let's start learning about the direct speech. Direct speech means it is a speech which express the speaker's exact words when someone is said to something. Okay, when someone said something and I want to report that one. Okay, I want to report that speech to you. Okay, I want to report the speech which has been given by the speaker. Here I am not the speaker. Here the speaker is different person. Okay, the different person has said something and now I want to report to you. Okay, I want to convey that message to you. How do I say? When I report that speech to you directly, okay, by whatever the speaker said, whatever the person said, without modifying any words, I am just using all the exact words or own words of the speaker and I am just conveying the message means that is the direct message. That is I am directly reporting the speech of the speaker. Okay, speaker means a person who is speaking something, who said something. I am going to tell you that person said something. My friend said this thing to you. This thing. My friend said this thing, or my friend said that thing. Whatever speech my friend has said, if I am telling to you directly, without modifying any words or verbs, I am just telling you that speech directly means that is only the direct speech. Are you clear, children? Let's learn with the definition. See. Direct speech means it is used to report the speaker's exact words. Whatever words the speaker said, we will use those words to convey that message directly with the help of inverted commas. Inverted commas, in other words, I can say quotation. Quotation. The quotation mark. See, this mark is the inverted commas. Okay, when we are conveying this speech, when we are reporting the speech directly, whatever the speaker said within the inverted commas means that is the direct speech only. Clear, children? And what about the punctuation mark? Okay, suppose if someone asks me question means should I put the question mark inside the inverted commas or outside the inverted commas, or else what are the things I need to write inside the inverted commas, that is quotation mark. What are the things or what are the words I need to write inside the inverted commas, that only we are going to learn. See, when a speaker, okay, the speaker is not the person who is reporting the speech. Speaker is different, reporter is different. Okay, speaker said something and the other person is telling you, reporting you, okay, conveying that speech of the speaker. Okay, the speaker is the third person only. Okay, so now the speaker used some caution. He asked some caution, or he exclaimed, or he was shocked, or he was worried. He said the sentence when he is writing. This is all about while writing. Okay, while writing, how do we write? Okay, when he asked a question, how do I write? Whether should I write inside the inverted commas or inside the quotation mark, that we are going to learn. Okay, this all comes in the written format. How do we write? Okay, how do we report the speech through the writing? Okay, when the punctuation marks used by the speaker, that punctuation marks. What are the punctuation marks? Very good. That is the full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. If the sentence is about with the help of that punctuation mark should be written inside this inverted commas within this quotation mark value. Okay, when the question is asked and you want to write at the end of the sentence, you want to put full stop or question mark or exclamation mark, means you need to put at the end of the, before the end of the inverted commas. Okay, there are two inverted commas, that is opening and closing. Before the closing inverted commas, before the closing quotation mark, you need to write the punctuation mark, whatever he has used, whatever the speaker has used. Whether it is a full stop, means the full stop will come here. No, that he used the speaker used the question mark, means the question mark will come before the closing quotation mark. Okay, or else you need to put the punctuation mark and then only you need to put the inverted commas. Clear, children? Where do we need to use the punctuation marks in the direct speech? Yes, at the end of the, before the closing inverted commas, before the closing quotation mark we can use. So only in the direct speech we will be using the punctuation marks and the inverted commas, that you need to keep in your mind. Okay, and what about the commas? When you see the structure of a sentence, the direct speech means there will be a comma. When you are going to deliver or when you are going to report the speaker's speech, okay, someone said something and you want to deliver this speech to someone, okay, you want to convey this message to someone, means you can say this by, before you are saying, before you can write the speaker name and then you need to put the comma so that you can introduce the speech, whatever he said. Before writing the inverted comma, you need to put the, before in writing the quotation mark, you need to put the comma. See, why do we need to use comma? That I need to tell you first, because comma is used to introduce the speech. Before you are going to deliver what someone said, what the speaker said, no, before that, before writing it in the inverted commas, you need to put comma to show that you are going to introduce the speech. You are going to deliver the speech. Okay, so let's learn with the example. See here, can you look at the picture? Yes, this picture is look like a girl. This girl name is Rosie. Okay, this girl name is Rosie, and she is telling me. Okay, just see that she is telling that I am going to the library. I am going to the library. Na vandu library ku vandu poren appdinu Rosie vandu solran. Now you want to report this message to other. How do you report? Okay, இப்போ ரோசி வந்து ஒன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. ஓகேவா, நான் வந்து லைப்ரரிக்கு போறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. இதை நீங்க எப்படி வந்து இன்னொருத்தவங்களுக்கு கன்வே பண்ணுவீங்க? சப்போஸ் ஒருத்தவங்க கேக்குறாங்க, what did Rosie say? You need to say in direct speech. Direct speechல தான் நீங்க வந்து இது சொல்லணும். அப்படினா எப்படி சொல்வீங்க? Very simple. So who is the speaker here? Are you the speaker? No. Who is the speaker? Whose speech you are going to say? You are going to say the speaker. You are going to say the speech of Rosie only. Okay, Rosie என்ன சொன்னாலும் அத பத்தி தான் நம்ம பேச போறோம் இல்லையா? அப்போ இங்க யார் சொல்றாங்க? யார் ஸ்பீக்கர்னா யார் சொல்றாங்களோ, யார் பேசுறாங்களோ. So here the speaker is Rosie only. We are going to write the direct speech about the Rosie speech only. So Rosie is the speaker. அப்பனா ரோசியோட name first நம்ம எழுதுவோம். And what did she ask question or did she say something? அவ வந்து ஏதோ ஒன்னு சொன்னாதா? So சொன்னானா said only we need to write. Okay, so Rosie said. Rosie is the speaker. After that she said something. Said. அதுக்கப்புறமா we need to put comma first. Okay, what do we need to write? First we need to put the comma so that we come to know that you are delivering someone's speech. Okay, you are going to introduce the speech of the Rosie only. So we need to put comma. After that only we need to use this quotation mark, that is inverted comma. Inverted comma எழுதினதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்களோ, whatever speech she said, you need to copy as it is. அப்படியே அவங்க என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்களோ அது அப்படியே inverted comma உள்ள நீங்க எழுதுவீங்க. Like I am going to the library na, I am going to the library without changing anything. I am going to library அப்படினு ஃபுல்லா எழுதிட்டு, whether it ends with full stop or question mark को full stop அது நீங்க எழுதுனதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் நீங்க வந்து inverted comma, closing inverted comma போடணும். Clear, children? First you need to write the speaker name, and if they said something, no, you need to write Rosie said. Here Rosie is the speaker. Rosie said. Then I am going to deliver her speech only. So I need to put the comma. Rosie said சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் direct speechல நம்ம வந்து comma போடுவோம். அப்பதான் நம்ம வந்து inverted comma போடணும். Inverted comma போட்டாச்சு open quotation. Then whatever speech she said, you need to copy as it is. I am going to the library. Na I am going to the library. Then which ends with full stop means here also should ends with full stop only. Question full stop எழுதினதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நீங்க வந்து closing inverted போடுவீங்க. ஓகே பட் closing quotation பண்ணணும். quotation இந்த லாஸ்ட் quotationக்கு முன்னாடி question markல முடிஞ்சா question mark இல்ல full stopனா full stop நீங்க எழுதுவீங்க. ஓகேவா? once you completed means that's all. This is the structure of the direct speech only. Clear children? First you need to write the speaker name and said. Then one you need to put the always you need to put the comma. Okay, comma வந்து எப்பவுமே வரும். So that you are going to introduce a speech of the speaker. அப்படிதான் மீன் பண்ணும். ஓகேவா? நீங்க இப்படி comma போட்டாதான் நீங்க speech சொல்ல வரீங்கன்னு தெரியும். Then you need to start putting the open quotation and whatever the speaker said his exact words. அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்களோ ஐனா ஐ யூனா யூ இல்ல கோயிங்னா கோயிங் ஆம்னா ஆம் இஸ் வாஸ் என்ன அங்க எழுதிருக்கோ அது அப்படியே அந்த quotation குள்ள நீங்க எழுதுவீங்க. Which ends with full stop na full stop போட்டுட்டு நீங்க க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க quotation mark. That's all. So I hope you are clear with the structure of the direct speech. What is the direct speech? When we are reporting the speaker's exact words within the inverted commas. That's the name of the direct speech only. I hope you are clear with this topic. I'll see you in the next